giving opportunity, for the opportunity to participate in this workshop as a panelist. So the topic is I got the scope of agriculture fisherman. So first, the profile summary. So our company that is not Aquaculture is a startup company established in 2019. This is a startup company. So last year at November, and presently we are working on, we are doing consultancy on various aspects of aqua farming, that is aquaculture, and we have done many research and the development on biotech fish farming in Manipur. And not only that, we are also giving supplying the raw material needed for aqua farming in Manipur. And our upcoming focus area is aqua laboratory service. We are laboratory service, especially for fisheries will be coming up, and now, and another one is fermented fish production industry. It is the program is under agri startup. So it was initiated by Government of India, and the project is under Agri Business Incubation Center, College of Fisheries, Central Agriculture University, Tripura. So brief about the company. So our company has given so many training programs, especially for aquaculture, and biotech farming training, and we have done many collaborative training programs with government agencies as well as private agencies like our Central Agriculture University, even Biotech Solution. And so far we have set up biotech tanks in many areas of the Impal and Manipur. And here the picture is so from instrument is here. So it is made of glass, which is called Aqua. So the sapling solids. The sapling solids what we call it biotech. So we can discuss for this in further step. Okay, let's go into details. So our research. Our company has done small research. So our company started in last winter, which is November. So generally biotech farming and generally we can do in winter. So we have even developed winter biotech microorganisms that can grow up to water temperature to 2 degrees Celsius. And generally biotech they can do below water temperature 20 degrees Celsius, but we can develop winter biotech organisms. And then another one is we have developed a cultural system of lots. And in Manipur we got it in the future. So this is have what environmental value as well as food. So there is a huge demand in Manipur. So now we have to do environment degradation. This is becoming while population is becoming lesser and lesser, even we can't get that much in market also. So we have developed a cultural system in biotech. So new technology. This is the first time in India. So now, okay, before going to the main topic, let's know about the fisheries. If you say this fisheries, we know that we know that this is the best source of protein. Okay, actually, this fishes can give the primary source of protein for millions of people. So this fisheries was regarded as the best source of protein, but nowadays the availability of fishes is not that much high because due to environmental conditions and our environmental degradation, there are habitat or many things so their population cannot grow more. That's why this population is decreasing, the IPM is really much. That's why aquaculture practice is developing in India. So to regain this land that is the effects of the protein. So more aquaculture practices, more scientific technology is needed. The fisheries in India are contribute 1.07% to national GDP, and the 5.2% to the agriculture sector. And India became the third largest producer of fish in the world, and the second in aquaculture production. So our country has a huge potential in fisheries. We have a young land starting from West Bengal to Gujarat. We have a marine business, which is a very high marine business resource. As well as we have a huge freshwater resources like big rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, and big lakes are there in That's why our country is rich in fisheries diversity, and there's a best scope for aquaculture of fish multiplication and aquatic plants. So eligibility for carrying fish. So if you want to start a farm or if you want to make a business in fisheries, but if you don't have the basic knowledge of fisheries, now you can go for certificate course in fisheries science. There are many training institutes that are giving many training with certificate. You can go and train there, and if you are interested, okay, if you are interested, you can learn this one diploma, a bachelor, and even master in higher service certificate in professor. Now coming that is opportunities and fisheries like job employment, fisherman, or entrepreneur. Okay, here the opportunities in fisheries is number one, that is farming, that is aquaculture. It is the backbone of fisheries. If you stay here, you can go for culture of different species of fish, shrimp, prawn, crab, lobster, naphtha, different fish. This one is aquaculture. And another one is processing industry. That is the post-harvesting technology. So when after harvesting fishes from your aqua farm or any other water body, you can go for processing. So processing industry like what is there? You can produce fresh fish, pure products, many like that. That is will be further discussed. And the fish plant. So due to gradual development of aquaculture, nowadays fish demand is becoming very high in our country. That's why one can start fish plant so that you can earn lots of money from this also industry. And another, the industry and the one is set in the export and industry. I mentioned before that our country has a huge diversity of fishes. So among these, many fishes have continental. So we can collect from one, and we can culture them, breed them, and we can export to many different other countries like Singapore, USA, Canada. There is a huge demand of our continental fishes. Another one is fish production. So due to gradual development of food aquaculture, fish demand availability is not, even the demand cannot meet. They compare with the production. So one can start fish production, and another one is aqua laboratory. So all aqua farming, one of the jobs is we depend on aqua farming as an aqua laboratory, because this aqua laboratory will provide many technical service, or they can do the diagnosis of any fish diseases or any testing of water quality parameters, and thereby they can do mitigation for any correction. So others are there, we shall discuss one by one. What is for farming or aquaculture? So we have a huge potential for aquaculture, like freshwater, freshwater marine, freshwater doesn't have different freshwater. Freshwater is either within freshwater and marine, and marine is additional freshwater that is swimming water. Okay. So in this field, the aquaculture huge potential for aquaculture. So even we can't culture freshwater in marine water, we can't culture marine water in freshwater. Freshwater is affect aquaculture for itself. At our country, this one fish production. I cannot function of the fish production is from aquaculture. So now we go into environmental pollution, environmental degradation. Our fish population in last becoming gradually decreased by periodic. That's why now aquaculture is dominating the sector. So it's function of the fish production. So different aquaculture techniques that we can start is if you have a proper land area or fish area, then when there's been one picture, you can start pond-based aquaculture. So if you can culture,
Hello, Wanglemba.
yes, sir.
Your voice is not clear. You come front.
Okay, can you hear, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll continue. Okay. First is pond-based aquaculture. Here, if you have a suitable land area for aquaculture, you can start pond-based aquaculture. And then next one is cave-based aquaculture. So if you have this one open water resource like lake, river, even the sea also. So if you can get lease agreement from your government agency or any private agency, so you can start this cave-based aquaculture. So here, some cages will be put in the open water body. So you stock the fish and you culture for some duration, and then you harvest it and then you sell it. And next is pen-based aquaculture. So it's similar, somewhat similar with cave-based aquaculture, because in pen-based aquaculture, here also you will be culturing your fish in open water body, that is river, lakes, or wetlands. Okay. Here you put some tension in the water body, so that your fish can't escape into the this one outside water body. So you stop fish here. So the difference between cave-based and the pen-based is here in cave-based, all the even the bottom of the surface, the bottom of the cages will also be enclosed. So it will be enclosed by iron or wire mesh, or side by side it will also be wire mesh. But in pen-based aquaculture, the bottom will be the bottom of the water body. And next one is raceway aquaculture. So here, the aquaculture is mainly done in running water aquaculture. So this sector, this type of aquaculture is mainly preferred or mainly suitable to the hilly region like Northeast region or Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir. Yeah, because they have a steep and slope area. So water can flow from higher level to lower level easily. So here you can go for this one raceway aquaculture. And another one is the biofloc-based aquaculture. So if you have a hobby of doing culture, but if you don't have much land area like that of pond aquaculture, you can start biofloc-based aquaculture. Here the earnings are much more higher than the pond-based aquaculture also. So in a small area, you can go for very high stocking density, and the duration of the culture also is very short, and you can go for this biofloc-based aquaculture also. You can earn lots of rupees from this aquaculture sector. And another one is RAS, recirculatory aquaculture system. So here, it is somewhat similar with biofloc-based aquaculture system, but the technology inside the RAS is different from biofloc. The space and the way of culture is somewhat similar, but the technical inside the RAS is somewhat different from biofloc-based aquaculture system. So in RAS, there will be some filter, the external filter. So water will be pumped out from the inside the tank, and it will pass through some filter, and it will bring back to the tank again. But in the filter, it will remove all the toxic nature. So thereby the water quality parameter will be at optimal level for the system. But in biofloc-based aquaculture system, here you won't go for water exchange. So here, what you will do is you will input some bacteria, okay, some probiotic bacteria, and let them decompose all the toxic compound like ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and they will make the good water quality inside the biofloc. So this in biofloc, you will be using some microorganisms. In RAS, you will be using some external filter. Number 7 is the aquaponics. So it is the integration of hydroponics and aquaculture. Here, you can get this one plant nature. You can also plant nature as well as the fish together. So there will be some symbiotic relation between them. The both will be benefited from each other. So this aquaponics is the mechanism is similar to this number 6 RAS, that is recirculatory aquaculture system. So in aquaponics, whatever the toxic material developed inside the fish tank will be pumped out, and it will be transported to the plant tank. So this plant tank will be absorb all the toxic material. So they will use this toxic material as their food source. And then after this, the water will be again come back to the fish tank, so that the toxic material will be using plant nature. Okay, there is some potential candidate species of aquaculture. Okay, the most common one in culture is very simple and easy. Even one can start this one. So there are many types of bass species in India. This is the most, what to say, demanded species even in the northern India and the northeastern side. So, then next one is catfish. They are generally scaleless. So they are very tasty. Their protein content is very high. Even sometimes those persons who have low protein level in their body, they can consume this catfish and it will increase their hemoglobin level also. And it is sometimes medicinal value. It is very good even for our health also. And number 3 is process. So what to say? He says that fine like nature of culture. They have a huge potential in India, like Shivas in marine area. That is quite fish. And then to report the party of them. So they are very hygienic. Next is trout. Trout, they are generally all water fishes. They are generally culture, and being breeding in United States, but northeastern states have a huge potential on this trout culture. They are family of salmon, so they are, how to say, nutrient content is very much like this one. They have huge omega-3% in their body, so it is also good for the person having this one diabetes. It's very good. So even one can start this one also. Stock culture is also different. And another very important is seafood like shrimp, crab, lobster, mussel. They're generally they have international demand. The demand from the international market. They are not generally demand in our Asia, but they have international demand. So international market. Like this one, European countries, European Union, and another like American, like Canada and US. There is huge demand for our seafood. So I mean, in India, what to say, seafood export value is very high also. And another one is this one, mussel. The type of seafood. Okay. One can go for this one, mussel culture. Mussel, oyster are there. They can be generally cultured as for food as well as for pearl production. Okay. In India, Tamil Nadu, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Gujarat, they used to produce pearl from this mussel. So even one can earn lots of produce. Even how to say in other places of India, like they have some freshwater mussel also. Which can produce pearl also. One can also culture this one from freshwater mussel to produce pearl. And the last one is seafood, sorry, seaweed. Seaweed. Seaweed, there's a huge demand from international market. So even in the Indian market also there is huge demand. Generally, they are prepared for microbiological media and other virus. They are generally prepared from seaweed. So there is a huge demand for this also. So coming to the point-based aquaculture, so if you have a big development area, one can start. So you can do monoculture, single species culture, or one can do mixed culture, like different species of fishes, one can culture. Even you can culture fish with prawn, you can culture fish with mussel also, one can do. And one can do integrated farming with agriculture, horticulture, or livestock. So you can earn from this integrated farming, you can get benefit from agriculture also, horticulture also, livestock also, as well as together with fisheries. So production in a year ranges from 1,000 to 10,000 kg per hectare. So this is the production if you are doing pond-based aquaculture. And next one is cage-based aquaculture. So here, if you have a natural water body, that is open water body, so if you can get lease on this, you can do cage culture. So here you can do high stopping density as compared with the pond, and the duration of culture is also very short in cage culture. And the production is also compared with pond culture, that is very high in cage culture. And next one is pen-based aquaculture. So it is very simple and low-cost technology. So you just do fencing in the river or in the pond or in the wetland, and you just stop and you just feed your fish. That's all. That is pen-based aquaculture. And next is running water aquaculture. So there will be continuous flow of water in your pond area, in your raceway tanks. Okay. So there won't be any water quality problem in this raceway tanks because the water is flowing continuously. It will bring good water from your natural water source. Okay. And here there will be a short culture period process. You can earn much money. Even within 4 5 months, you can get a size fish. And another one is biofloc-based fish culture system. Here, just imagine this is the only 10,000 liter tank. So 10,000 liter tank is a very small volume of water. So here, in a crop cycle per tank, you can harvest 500 to 700 kg per crop. Okay. So in a small volume of water, you can produce 500 to 700 kg per cycle. So comparing with that pond per year, you can produce 2,000 to 10,000. But here, 500 to 700 kg. Okay. So if you have this one for tanks, so you can dominate the pond based aquaculture also. So when the main disadvantage for this type of fish farming is number one, you have to be very expertise. You have to be very skillful and very experienced person. Otherwise, your business won't be successful. So if you have many ponds, you can, you just calculate how much quantity of fish can be produced from this tank. So one can be a great businessman in the field of fishery if one has a skillful agriculture fish. So this will be also a very high cooking density agriculture fish. So this will excrete their excreta. So this excreta will make the water quality in a bad condition. Okay. So this water will be again will come up and it will be passed through some filter. Okay. So during this purification will be done. So all the toxic metabolites will be removed in this, and then water will be pumped back to the tank again. So that water quality parameters are maintaining like this. So here also like that, even this RAS is production is higher than biofloc. Okay. They are far higher than the biofloc because what is the water quality parameter management is very easy compared to biofloc. So that is better, but the disadvantage is capital cost. So if you want to start a RAS, the capital cost is very high, very expensive as compared with biofloc. While in biofloc, the capital cost is very minimum. Even one can do very easily. It is affordable to one and all. But RAS, it is very expensive to start. So once it starts, you can produce lots of fishes from this culture system. And next one is aquaponics. Aquaponics, that is an integration of aquaculture and hydroponics. Okay, here the production will be both fishes as well as plant materials. Okay, horticultural crops like tomatoes, one can culture tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce. So many are there that can be cultured in the aquaponics system. So here the benefit is mainly you can earn money both from fish as well as from plant material. So fishes used to culture are tilapia, catfishes, even ornamental fish also. If you want to do some ornamental fish breeding, or if you want to do if you want to sell some ornamental fish, you can culture in aquaponics also. So you can earn much money. Okay, next is fish processing industry. So after harvesting from aqua farm, what you need to do is post-harvest technology. Okay, here the products may be freshwater fresh products, cured products, fermented products, value-added products. So fresh products include this one, live fish or live product, or frozen product. You can get for some processed food. And then for pure product, okay, pure product is just like how to say smoking, drying, they are under pure product. So and fermented product, is just like allow the bacteria or microorganism to ferment your fish and to decompose, and it will produce another product. And then value added product. There are so many value added products in our market. One can start canning industry, can fish production, and then fish pickle and ready to cook products. There are certain ready to cook products and marinated products. So fish and the fish product, they are the largest group in agriculture export of India. So there is a huge scope in fish processing industry, the international market. So they used to demand a lot of seafood from our country. So that's why seafood comprises 10% of the total export of India and nearly 20% of all agriculture export. It's a very huge. Coming to the fresh product, so one can start this one industry like to produce fresh fish, and one can start produce like semi or fully processed fish product, and one can start this one frozen product. Okay. Now this frozen are gradually starting demanding in our country because even so many restaurants and all they started preparing curry and test on shrimp, lobster, and all. How this sector have lots of potential. Next is pure product. So many pure products are there. Dry product, small product, and one is salted one. So here, that product, I think, what to say, northeastern state, or even what to say, West Bengal, even some part of South India, Andhra Pradesh, and all, they used to demand this one, small product, that product. So one can start this one, pure product industry. Even in Manipur, there's a huge demand of smoked fish product. Okay, smoked fish product. Even the demand, the demand here can be. So one can start this one smoking industry, smoking industry. Fermented product. Fermented product. Especially this product is mainly huge demand in northeastern states like Tripura, Manipur, Assam, Meghalaya. So they generally call their local language as Nari, Chida, Pita, etc. So this crop is used in northeastern states especially. And another is many value added products. Okay. Like temperature. Okay. Like nowadays people are more demanding tuna cat, example like tuna cat. Like generally people staying in Indian area, that is northeastern state, central India, northern India, they can't get directly this one fresh tuna. As an example. Okay. So mainly the South Indian state, they used to do lots of canning industry. They used to have lots of canning industry. They used to produce lots of canfish, special on marine species, and they used to do export to international market as well as a domestic market. And even the freshwater fish, one can start canning industry. So there are some criteria that we need to select. This type of fish can be done in canning industry. Another one is fish pickle. So fish pickle nowadays it's preference by many customers, increasing the budget. Even the collector fisheries that we share with they have better fish this one fish pickle. There's a huge demand. They not only produce fish pickle, they used to produce prawn pickle also. There is a huge demand among the localities also. So one can start this one also. And other value added product are ready to fish sauces, fish finger, many value added products are there in fisheries. So one can start even restaurant and you can sell especially on fish product. So that will be a good earning. Next one is fish manufacturing industry. So here due to gradual development in aquaculture, fish demand is very high in our country. So fish generally fish are generally demand only for food fishes and then for ornamental fishes. So in our country, ornamental fish production is very low. Even it's just like a zero in our country. Generally, we used to depend from abroad like China and all. Used to development that we our country used to get from China and all. Okay. So if there is a huge scope in ornamental fish production plant, so one can start. And there is already a fish plant for fish. There are many fish. Even there are even international companies are also there. From Thailand, Japan are there, but Indian companies are also gradually decreasing. Okay, sorry, gradually increasing. So there are many types of fish that we can develop. That is powder mass. Okay. So feeding is mainly done based on the size of the fish. So you have to, when developing fish feed, so you have to see, you have to make different types, different sizes of fish feed, powder feed, pellet. There is different size like 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, 4 mm. So if the fish is gradually increasing its size, you have to increase the size of the feed also. So based on that, if you introduce fish feed manufacturing industry, you have to discuss all the criteria needed in the aquaculture. So for ornamental fish feed plant, there is some criteria needed for ornamental fish feed plant. So their feed combination is a little bit different from normal fish feed manufacturing industry, especially for fish. So in ornamental fish feed, what to say, the ornamental fish means that they have to be very colorful, right? So in order to be in colorful, you have to incorporate some carotenoids in their feed. So while formulating, you have to discuss, you have to put some criteria for adding carotenoids in the feed also. That's right. And next is fish seed production business. So here one can start production of fish seed. There are different types of fish seed, starting from spawn, then just hatch out. Okay, next level is fry, then fingerling, then gradually will increase to the other side. So up to fingerling size is called fish seed. So one can start this one production of fish seed. So if you don't have any idea of doing this one also, you can get trained in many research institute or even the college offices from Tripura or any other colleges, college offices. They are giving training programs to many hobbies that they can start with seed production business. So if you want to start a seed production business, you have to own a hatchery, maybe outdoor hatchery or indoor hatchery. So during training also, they will demonstrate or they will tell you how to procure the hatchery or how to build the hatchery in your area. So the price of seed. So how much you can earn from this business? Like sizes, that is spawn, that is just hatch out fish. Okay. This spawn, how to say, like they used to sell in a small container that generally in Bengali they generally called bati. The volume is 120 ml only. So for 120 ml, so our Indian rupees cost 500 to 1,000 depending on the species. Then price tag, the price stage, that is 1 centimeter to 3 centimeter around, 2 to 3 centimeter around. Okay. Where the prices are 0.5 to 2 Indian rupees. So it is also depend on the species to species and the region to region. And the next one is fingerling. So fingerling is our finger size fish. Okay. So they generally cost 5 to 10 rupees per piece. Okay. So if you want to produce fry fingerling, you have to on some forms, okay, natural form. So, but if you want to sell spawn only, You just need to have this one, only the hatchery. Okay, just hatch out, you can sell to the customer. So if you want to produce fry in the fingerling stage, you have to have some nursery pond. Okay. So after the hatch out, so you take out the spawn and you release into your nursery pond, and you culture them for some period of time, and you make the fish to let it bigger. Then when they reach fry or fingerling, so you can sell. And next one is prawn and the shrimp. There's a huge demand. Okay, so even the prices are a bit higher than the fishes. So even the production of prawn and the shrimp in our country is still less. So there's a huge scope in production of prawn and shrimp. Next is ornamental fish business. Okay. So here, uh, if you have a hobby of doing ornamental fish trade and production,
Wanglemba,
yes, sir.
you go to some fast now. One lecture is also
Okay,
there.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Okay, here the scope on culture and breeding. One, you can do what to say. You collect some ornamental fish from wild and you culture them, you breed them, and you export. Or if you want to do in domestic market, you procure some exotic species from your local market and you culture and breed them, and you can sell in your local market. So species selection. Species selection here for indigenous species that is have international demand are barbs, loaches, eels. They are very have international demand. You can culture and just export them. And the exotic one, these are exported mainly from Singapore. So you procure them and you breed them and you sell in your local market. So these are the export prices of Indian ornamental species. See here, the prices are very, what to say, it's very expensive. If you do trade and export on this, you can earn much money. So profit generation is mainly done on this international market export and the domestic market production. And next one is aquarium fabrication and making business. Okay, here if you are a hobby of doing some additional construction work, so you can get if you don't have any idea how to fabricate it, you do some training course, and after the training you can start fabricating the aquarium and you can sell in your local market. So there are many set and sizes depending on the customers' preference. So you can earn much money from this business also. And next one is Aqua laboratory service. Okay. Here, uh, uh, nowadays, due to scientific fish farming development and due to high stocking density of fish culture, nowadays water quality parameters are getting hampered by day in aquaculture form, and the disease condition are also happening day by day. So if you own an aqua laboratory business, you can do testing and a diagnosis of this condition, and you can give recommendation for any collection. And not only that, you can do some supply of medicine, supply of water quality enhancer, aquatic probiotics. You can do from your laboratory. Then this pharmaceutical industry. Here is like this. If you go for higher studies, if you have more experience in pharmaceutical, that like medicine development or anything related to pharmaceutical industry, so you can start this one. So nowadays, disease production are very high in our country. So one can develop antibiotic or any drug or any medicine. If it is developed in hardware based, that will be very better for environment also. So one can add antibacterial drugs, antifungal drugs, antiparasite drugs. And one can start aquaprobiotics production also. Nowadays, introduction of probiotics is very high in our country, in our aqua farm. So one can produce aquaprobiotics. So that is very good. They are very good promoter for fishes, and they used to enhance the water quality of the aquaculture. This is a very useful. And then vaccine development in India is very participative at intense stage. So it is a high time our country support for developing pharmaceutical company to prepare for fish vaccine. In European countries, they used to vaccinate all the fishes before they used to stop. So in India, there is no vaccination program. There is that is resource level. So one can start producing this vaccine, and one can do commercialized it. And many other things like reduction of instrument additives is medium farmers also. And next is fish trap and the net netting industry. So uh, this one is huge demand is during each and every fishing season. So one can make scoop net, cast net, game net, even fishing traps also. So there is a huge scope in this industry also. So each and every year their demand is very high. You can earn much money. Next is marketing business. Okay. Here you can do supply of aquaculture products. Like you can be a dealer or retailer of any aquaculture related product, and you can do marketing of this in your local area, or even if your locality has some production industry, and you buy from them and you can export to other places also. That is marketing of fishery product. So here I had mentioned before, you can do marketing on fresh products, your product, frozen product, and value added products also. Even nowadays, marketing up to doorstep delivery uh, now is developing in this modern area. Then one can do also this one also. You can earn much money. And supply of aquarium material. Okay, many hobbyists, even example, even in our area, it is very difficult to find this aquarium related materials also. So one can be a retailer or dealer, and you can start supplying of this aquarium materials in your locality area. And another one is aquascaping. It is a what you say, newly developed by Japan. So how to say, to make some landscape in your aquarium. So if you just if you have a copy of doing this one, then you can do. So it starts from 25,000 to infinity. So it is an art attached. So attention is necessary for you. So do you worry about your business investment? So if you want to start your farm, or if you want to be an entrepreneur, so you might have worry about investment. So what can you do about this investment? So what to do? Means here one can go for bank loan, one can go for NABARD subsidy scheme, and there is this there is some NFDB. Okay, one institute is here, National Fisheries Development Board. They used to do funding on many fisheries projects. So if you want to be an entrepreneur, you can get direct funding from this. You can contact them and you can get funding also. And nowadays, Agri Startup program is coming up in our country. It's a very emerging program, so you can join and you can be an entrepreneur in the future. So this is uh, for today. So any related inquiry on this?
Thank you, Algan. Very nice your presentation on fisheries, because here, northeast, that is the major agriculture scope for fisheries. So thank you. So some question is coming from audience. Uh, One is the what is the main limitation in fish farming in Manipur?
Okay. Main limitation is like number one is like this. In Manipur, we don't get much support from the government agencies. Okay. Then even the fisheries department, the development of fisheries is very, very low. There is no any technical expertise in fisheries department. Okay. They are mainly from geology section. So if they recruit more this one technical student as fishery officer, the development will be very high. And then the people here are, that's why the people here are doesn't have that much knowledge, because due to lack of technical expert in the field. That is the main reason in India.
Okay. Then next question is how you can solve the problem of fish feed in Manipur. That is the major problem.
Okay. nowadays, so many companies are coming out of course. Even in this year, 50 companies are coming out of fisheries, like Nexus and all. And there are already fisheries in here. But the fisheries, they are generally confined to the, what is it, some district of Manipur, maybe District about district. But if someone wants to start a aquaculture business in Southeast or in Southwest, other districts like this, so one should not get that much fiscal. So if the dealer or retailer, if they spread their shop and this one in each and every district, so the for them will be very minimal.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Then last question, is there any biological method to control water fluctuation in fish culture farm?
Okay, biological method is one can introduce this one water probiotics. I mentioned before, if you introduce probiotics, they can control all the this one, water quality problem. They will decompose all the toxic materials like ammonia and all, and they will bring back your some good water quality.
Okay, thank you, thank you. You have given the good answer for all the answers. So, thank you too. So again, one this